Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm making my 6th episode in this Friday series, doing some homemade nachos. The frying comes in with me frying the corn tortillas. So I've got some corn tortilla wraps here. So I've got 2 baking sheets. I've lined it with parchment paper. I'm just going to put these in the oven for 5 minutes to dry out a bit so that they're better to cut into wedges. So I'm going to put these in the oven on gas mark 5, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, and then I'll get started on the toppings. While our tortillas are in the oven, just gonna go through the toppings I'll be using. So I'll be making a cheese sauce. I'll be making some Pico De Gallo, some guacamole. I've got some sour cream. In this bowl I've got some feta cheese. I submerged it in water and soaked it overnight. That's my alternative to queso fresco because I haven't seen that in the UK. For my cheese sauce, I'm using a mixture of this spicy 4 cheese mix. So it has a blend of red hot chili, mozzarella, cheddar and Gouda cheese, and I'm using this 4 cheese mix which has mozzarella, Edam, mature cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. So for my guacamole, I'll just be using salt, avocado and lime, my sour cream. And for my Pico de Gallo, I've got my onion, tomatoes, I'll be using some lime. I've got some jalapeños and some coriander or cilantro. So first I'm going to mix the Pico de Gallo so it can sit and marinate while we're waiting on the tortillas. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut up a small onion. So you want your onion chopped. Well, you can cut it how big you want, but I'm cutting mine small. So that's my small onion. I'm just going to let the onion sit in the lime juice and salt. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we need some lime juice. I'm using 2 limes. So it's just under 1/3 cup, but that's okay. So I've got my salt and lime juice. I'm just gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. And then I'll chop up the tomatoes, the jalapeno and the coriander or cilantro. I've got 3 tomatoes here. Just going to dice these up. Got 1 medium jalapeno chili. I'm going to take the rib and the seed out. just going to chop this up. And then some coriander. That's our fresh ingredients for our Pico De Gallo. The onions are still marinating in the lime juice, so I'm just going to get started on the guacamole. I'm using 1 medium avocado. I'm skipping the tomatoes. I like my guacamole plain, so just put in lime and salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. So I've got my avocado here. Going to squeeze half of a lime. So I'm adding some black pepper and some Himalayan pink salt. That's my guacamole done. Going to cover this in a plastic wrap and rest it in the fridge until it's time to put the nachos together. So our onion has been sitting for 10 minutes. Going to add the tomatoes and the peppers and mix it in, and then I'll add the cilantro at the end. You can make this recipe your own. If you don't like heat, then you can skip the jalapeno. You can add less salt if you wish, or more. It's all about your preference. Just going to add in the cilantro now. We're just going to cover this and set it in the fridge with the guacamole until the tortillas are fried, and then I'll do the cheese sauce. This is my corn tortillas. They're nice and dry. I'm gonna cut them. Got a pizza wheel. So first you cut it in half and then cut it like that and then like that. That's our tortilla. Before we fry these, I'm just going to make the cheese sauce. So I'll be using some whole milk, a small amount of butter. I've got my pan on. Just going to melt this. I'm making a roux. This is how I start all my cheese sauces. And I've got 1 tablespoon of flour. When the roux is all nice and bubbly, just going to add the milk in. I'm putting 1 cup of milk, or 236 milliliters of whole milk. I'm just going to add a sprinkle of Badia Complete. Okay, turning it down. The 4 cheese, and then spicy 4 cheese mix. Our cheese sauce is done. Just have to fry the tortillas now. Just going to cover the bottom. We'll do these in batches. So we're just gonna put in our tortillas. They take about 1 to 2 minutes to crisp. Well, that's how short we fry them for, just to crisp them up. And once they come out, just sprinkle them with salt while they're hot and let them sit until it's time to make your nachos. Okay, just these final ones. Stove off. This is just the final tortillas here. I'm back for the final nachos. Okay, this is my freshly fried tortilla chips. Okay, so I've drained off the water from the feta, just crumbling it up. Okay, and that's my alternative to queso fresco. First, let's just layer in our nachos. And this is our cheese sauce. So I'm just going to pour on. Make sure it gets in between the chips. I am living in the UK, so we don't have a wide variety of colored cheddar cheeses. So that's why it's mostly white cheddars that they sell here. Okay. And that's our Pico De Gallo. Just going to sprinkle it on. Just gonna put some dollops of sour cream. Add our feta cheese. Just to add our guacamole. So there you have it, my homemade nachos with freshly made tortilla chips. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to turn on your notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.